Hello, friends. Here we will learn about the CSS. Okay. For this is the part one of the CSS learning, and after that we will learn the other part. Okay. In this part, we will start from basic CSS. First, we will write down our program in Notepad. Okay. We can also write down in Notepad plus plus. For simplicity, we will use Notepad. Okay. Okay. Here write down some HTML code. Here we will run the commands and save this file as head. Okay. Head, body. Okay. Here we will write down simply simple HTML tags. Okay. Slash body, and after that we will write down. We will close the HTML. Okay. HTML. Now our structure is completed. In body we will write down some paragraph. Suppose we will write down some heading H1. Our first CSS program, okay, and close our H2 H1 tag. H, uh, H1 tag. Okay. Now I have saved this as suppose first dot html. First dot html. Okay. We have saved this file. Okay. Now we will run it. Our first program is running. Okay. We can make a small this, and our first CSS program is running. Okay. Now we will write down some CSS code. Okay. For writing down CSS code, we will write this in the heading. Okay. And write down style, close the style, and here we will write down our CSS code. Okay. Suppose in H1 we want to give some style. Then write down H1. Okay. Here we will write down. Suppose I want to give color in my H1 line. Okay. So for this we can write down. Yeah, we want to change the color of the font. Okay. So we will write down font. No, font me. Write down only color. COLOR color. Suppose we want to write down give red color. Red. Okay. Save this. Now see the browser. Okay. And we'll write down here. Okay. We will minimize this. Oh, we will minimize this. Okay. And expand this. Okay. 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 we will write down here code and you will see the output here. Okay, control F and refresh this. Okay, refresh this. Okay. Later color is changed. Okay, now we want that the H1 H1 heading is this heading, and we want to change the background color of this heading. Okay, for this what we can write down here, background color. The background color. Color. Suppose we write down purple. Okay. Now save this and refresh this. Okay. We will got the purple color background. Okay. Suppose we want to write down some paragraph here. For this, use the p tag. Our first paragraph. Our first paragraph. Okay, now we will close this paragraph. Now run this. Save. I have saved this. Okay. Now suppose we want to change the font size of this paragraph. For this we will write down P. Now change the font size. Font size. Font size. Suppose I want 40 pixel. Okay, pixel. Save this file. Now, okay. Our first program size change. Suppose now we want to change the whole body color. For this, we have to write down body. Okay, here we will write down the same background color. Control C. We will paste it here. Control V. Now suppose we want to give the background color as blue. Blue. Okay, save this and now run this. Nice blue body is converted, and now suppose what we want now suppose we want that this paragraph becomes italic. Okay, for this we have to change in P. Okay, now we will write down font style style italic. Italic. Okay, now save this. Okay, we will got the italic. Now suppose we want to make this bold. Okay, here we can also use oblique. Okay, oblique. Oblique. O B L I Q U A. Oblique. Okay, save this. Okay, no change because it is oblique. Now suppose we want to make it bold. For this, font weight. Okay, Vigst font weight. Here we will give bold. Okay, now save this and run our command. Okay, just make it bold. We can here also use lighter, bold, bolder. Suppose we make it bolder. Okay, save this. It become more bold. Suppose we give here lighter. Light we can also give lighter. Ligst lighter. Uh, Run it this become more light. Okay, now we will remove this and we will make this bold. Okay, now what we want to we want to change the font family. Okay, suppose we want to change it to Helvetica, then font family. Family. Suppose we want to give this Helvetica. Helvetica. Vetica. Helvetica. If in this will not found, suppose this is a browser where it does not found Helvetica, then we can write down Arial, comma. We will write down comma and Arial. Ariel. Okay, save this Helvetica. Okay, okay. Now here, suppose we want to underline this paragraph. For this, we what we can do? We can do font text, underline this to text, text decoration, Coration, text decoration. Here what will we write down? We will write down underline, underline. It will draw a underline on our first paragraph. Okay, save this, run this. Okay, here we can also write down overline. Okay, overline, Overline, overline. Okay, save this and run this. Okay, line is on over. We can also write down line through. Okay, line, line through, THROUGH, line through. Okay, save this. Okay, this is through the line. We can also write down, we can draw line through border property. Okay, suppose we delete this text declaration and we will give it border 1 pixel, and solid and black color, black color, black color. Okay, now save this. Control F. We will got the border in whole border around this. Okay, you can see this. This is a border all around this. Now we want to only underline this. Okay, for this we can write down border bottom. We can also write down border top. We will write, got a border at the top, left, border left, border right. We can also write down. Okay, here we can write down. Suppose it will be 3 pixel thick border. Okay, I have not saved it. Save, first save and then border bottom. I don't save this and refresh this. Okay, we will got a border 3 pixel thick. Here we use solid. We can also use, suppose we remove the bottom. Okay, then we use border, save this and now run this program. Okay, we got nice border. Now suppose we make this 25 pixel. Okay, save this. What will happen? We got a nice border around this. Now we can make it, it is solid, we can make it dotted. Okay, dotted. Save this and now see what happens. Okay, dotted. Suppose we write down dashed, dashed, dashed. Save this. Now see what happens. Dashed. Now suppose we will give this double.